out dancing after that awful morning. Got her out on the dance floor. Turned her by the arm. Two big fucking rats jumped out from under her wig. Like they were fleeing a burning barn. No! No! I don't want no woman! But there the man. Got a woman like that. Somebody rouse! All of the time. Took her to the hairdresser. Thought that might do some good. This is what the hairdresser said. Baby, can't work on your woman. The bitch is already dead. No! I don't want no woman. With hair shorter than mine. I'm a woman like that. Somebody Thank you very much. You got one more. I got a bad headache.